Hey yo.
Pimps and players, what it do? My name is Kesey and welcome back to my channel. Hey y'all. So in today's video, we're gonna be getting into an unboxing of the DJI Osmo Action 4. Let me give me a thumbnail. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna get into the unboxing of this. So let's get into it. So guys, this is the camera. Okay, y'all. So before I show y'all the camera, I'm gonna show y'all the Froggy Extreme Sport Accessory Kit. So all of this was purchased as a bundle. So the camera and then the accessories that came with the camera, and then this is a separate accessory kit. And it was supposed to come with that 64 gigabyte micro SD memory card, but it did not. Because it didn't, he ended up buying me a 256 gigabyte card from Amazon. It was actually a little cheaper, but yeah, so let me show y'all what's all up in this kit. It has basically all the things that you would need. This is an action camera, so it's supposed to be used when, you know, you're in motion or whatever, if you're on a bike. I was thinking about those test dummy cars, like if you're in the back seat, and this could be used as a strap on the front seat. If you're in the back seat, you can harness it to yourself, hold the camera on that. I just used this the other day. Obviously it's a tripod, but it's like you can mold it to be moved around however you would like. It's kind of like those flexi rods. That's what it's made out of, kind of. But yeah, so it came with this as well. More straps and things. You can strap all these to yourself. If you're climbing somewhere, you can get it clipped somewhere up on you or on a harness that you're already wearing. Yeah, it just has different parts that are very convenient in any setting. Get some help opening it because I got the seal off, but I was like, what do I do now? Do I pull it out? Okay, so I got help opening it, and immediately the camera and more accessories. So he got me quite a few accessories because this does come. First of all, it comes with the batteries. That was very important to me. So I had the Osmo Action 3 on my list. Like, I make little lists on Amazon for people to get me things off of because I don't be knowing what I want. So I just compile a list of things that I be thinking about getting for myself but hadn't got it yet. I added the Action 3 to it, and on Amazon it had the bundle with the like 3 battery pack and all that. So that was important for me to get. But with this one, it comes with that as well. So I was like, and it's a better camera, so I appreciate that. But okay, so here's the camera. I should probably get my little selfie stick to hold this up. Okay, hold on, y'all. Oh my god. Yeah, it's smaller than I even thought it was. Okay, so this is the camera, and this is the case, I guess. They didn't send any papers in there. Interesting. So here we are. Y'all, it's so tiny. I'm weak. Front screen, back screen. I'm gonna wait till I like fully put it together. So they put the accessories within. Wait, I ain't even opened the accessories yet. Okay. God bless me. So maybe I should go ahead and take this lens cap off. Oh, it wasn't really a fucking sticker. I just want to be gentle with it. Yeah, so it does come loose a little bit, so you can snap it into place. And just make sure that's right. Yeah, it's given that's right. Okay, so how do we do this? Okay. I feel like it just got tinier. Okay, y'all. I just did all that and did not put the battery in there. Let's open up the accessories now, because clearly I don't know what I'm doing. I done watched so many videos on this, but none of the videos showed them putting it together. It was just like the camera already on and how it works and stuff. Oh, it did come with instructions. Okay, because I was about to say, one thing about me, I love me some instructions. Because I need to know what is going on. Okay. So first, it wants me to set it up on my phone. I'm using my phone right now, so but these nails are in the way. Okay, there we go. Okay, you just gotta push it from the back. Bet. Okay. So this comes down. That's the charger part. And this is a charger for it holds 3 batteries. I take it the batteries already came in here too. Indeed. This is gonna be so fucking convenient for me. Okay. That's why I really wanted this, because I was like, I need this. Super convenient. And you know what I don't like though? I don't like how these things, the USB-C, they don't be coming with blocks no more. Okay, y'all. So I'm just constantly trying to push it down. Clearly this arrow is pointing up. So that's how you do that one. And this way. So that goes that way. And then the SD card goes here. And child, about that. I just realized I ain't show you how I put this together. So we're gonna take this piece and connect it to the stick. Just line up the holes to make sure you can see straight through. Then you're gonna take your little screw that on. You don't have to tighten it up all the way. This way you're able to like still move the camera around a little bit. And on these ends there are little magnets, and y'all know how magnets work. Opposites attract and the same ends repel. So that's what we're doing here. See how it's not snapping? So you can always tell when it's on right, and once it's on right, just snap that into place. And once it's in there, child, it ain't going nowhere. So we good. And if you want to take it off, you'll just snap these 2 pieces. But in the meanwhile, you can still move it up and down. If you tighten it up, it'll be stiff and straight as an arrow. And I like it that way so that I can hold it in place and things. But yeah, that's how you do that one. I figured I'd come do this update because I honestly forgot. I just been using the camera, y'all. But okay. So I ended up getting the SD card. They didn't send one. The bundle that my stepdad had got me, it should have came with one, but they didn't send one in that bundle, so I had to get another one. He sent me one from Amazon. I think it's $256, the SD card or whatever, but that's how you turn it on. But also, if you just want to shoot something right quick, you can just hold this down and it'll literally automatically start recording, depending on what you got it set on. I got it set on video right now. When it's in the higher resolution, it don't show you a preview. If it's lower, then it will. But yep. And if you stop recording, it'll turn back off, unless you solder it up. Then it'll stay on. But yeah, also hold this down and it'll turn on. You can change. I know it's not really showing up the best right now, y'all. Oh, I'm weak. That's what I just recorded. Okay. So yeah, from there you can see everything that's on there right now. So this morning, it's not showing up clear, but I'll show y'all. I will say though, one issue that I'm having with it is like the lapse. It's like I'll record and then after like 5 seconds it'll lapse, and I'll insert a clip right here so y'all can see what I mean. Say pimps and playas, or what it do? My name is Casey and welcome back to my channel. Okay, so this is what I was talking about. So every time I upload a video from my camera to the iMovie, like all of them, it'll be regular, and then within 5 seconds it'll turn to slow-mo, and it'll stay slow-mo up until like the end of the video, like to the last 5 seconds, and it'll go back regular. Now if I like hover over it and just make every video normal is normal again. But it's just the fact that when I upload it into the iMovie, it does that anyway. Like, that's so strange. But see, now I'm gonna show y'all when it slows down or when it goes back to normal. Yeah, see? So the end be normal. Weird. Other than that, I am loving the camera. It's really nice. If y'all saw my end of the year vlog, I started shooting with that. I'm not that knowledgeable about cameras and things of that nature, but a few things that I have learned so far. Hold this down, you can zoom or whatever you want to do. You can change how it's set up. I have everything in standard. That's what it is right now, but you can change all of these things. 4K, that's what I'll be having it set to now. But 1080p, if you do 1080p, hold on, okay, there we go. 1080p, that one you can see yourself on the front and back. So for example, I'll go ahead and start shooting. Okay, so with the 1080p, that's how you can get the preview. But yeah.